Trying to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 controllers to an Android phone can be confusing, especially when you expect them to pair just like any other Bluetooth device. You might put the controller in pairing mode, open Bluetooth on your phone, and still not see it show up, or it connects but doesn't work properly in games. This usually happens because of compatibility limitations, pairing steps not being followed correctly, or software related issues on either the controller or the phone. Not all controllers behave the same way across devices, and Android support can vary depending on the version and manufacturer. The good thing is that in many cases, the problem can be fixed with a few simple checks, and once connected properly, the controller can work smoothly for supported games. Try these. Step 1. Make sure your controller is in pairing mode. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your Android phone and refresh the device list. Step 3. Check if the controller appears. If not, move closer to reduce interference. Step 4. Restart both your phone and controller to reset the connection. Step 5. Ensure your Android version supports Bluetooth controller input.